In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new Google account in just a few minutes. Whether you need it for Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, or any of Google's other services, the setup process is simple and straightforward. By the end of this guide, you'll have your own Google account fully ready to use. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the Google sign-in page. You can do this by searching for Google Sign-In or by clicking the link I've included in the description. Once you're there, look for the Create Account option. Click it and you'll see a few choices, such as creating an account for yourself, for your child, or for business. Select the option that best matches your needs. Next, you'll be asked to enter your first and last name. This is how your account will be personalized, so make sure you type in the name you want linked to your Google identity. After that, click Next, and you'll move on to a screen where you'll need to enter your birthday and gender. These details help Google confirm your age and customize certain features for you. Once filled in, click Next again. Now comes an important step, choosing your username. This will become your Gmail address, so pick something professional and easy to remember. If your first choice is already taken, try adding numbers or slight variations until you find one that's available. Once you've got it, click Next to continue. The following step is to set a strong password. Make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special symbols. This password will protect all of your Google services, so avoid using anything predictable like 123456 or your name. Type it twice to confirm and then click Next. Google may then ask you to verify your account. Sometimes this involves entering a code sent to another email address or phone number you provide. This step helps ensure it's really you creating the account. You'll also be prompted to add optional recovery details like a phone number or recovery email. It's highly recommended to do this because it makes resetting your password in the future much easier. Finally, you'll need to review and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through them so you know exactly how your data will be used. Once you agree and follow any final instructions on screen, your new Google account will be created. And that's it. In just a few short steps, you now have a working Google account that you can use to access Gmail, YouTube, Google Docs, Google Drive, and much more. Be sure to store your login credentials safely and enjoy exploring all of Google's powerful services. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Happy account creation.